Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, letting you know it's Friday. Friday's the day that you request your 200,000 plus surveyed opportunity leads. Now, I happen to be on my platform, and on my platform, you're going to find where you can access 2,000 free leads, and you're going to learn how to request your 200,000 free opportunity leads. And then down here happens to be a video about the bulk email blaster. Here's a video training for Aweber and how to use my lead gen secret with Aweber. Here's video training for Facebook in Aweber. And then down here, Marty and I did a video for MailWiz. It's actually a self-hosted autoresponder for my lead gen secret. And as you work your way down here, of course, every Friday I do a post and a video about making sure that you do request your 200,000 plus leads. Now, to get to my platform, all you're going to do is go to HarveySilverFox.com. When you log in, opt in, here are the training, marketing tools and training you're going to find. Of course, how to make money with GoPro. This is for beginners and newbies. This is for you. Of course, this is where the 2,000 free leads access is located. I was just there. And of course, I'm in my live training room right now. This is how you access the live training room. This is where you will learn how to buy abandoned domain names for $15. And of course, my video ranking software, which I'm going to use that software to rank this video. All that training, all those tools are behind this door here. Here's Bitcoin profits, find Bitcoin cryptocurrency tools, training and profit ideas here. If you want a free sizzle call marketing system for whatever money-making opportunity, which includes my lead gen secret, that information is behind this door here. Here's a viral video downline builder marketing system that's free. And you must go through my six-figure email profits training course. If you have not been making any money online, you're going to find the reason that you're not doing so behind this door here. Of course, affiliate marketing and clickbank training is here. I walk you through how to set up a blog step by step. Webinar, can I build a free webinar for you? Here's some more lead generation tools. In fact, there's a viral lead generation tool back here that works fantastic. Right here, you're going to watch me in real time how I generate 100 leads a day on Facebook. Costs me nothing. And I teach you how you can do the same thing here. Of course, here's Twitter marketing here. Work smarter, not harder. Autobots marketing software can be found behind this door here. And of course, branding, very, very important. In fact, if you go out there and type in a hashtag HarveySilverFox, you can see that I am everywhere. Okay, so let's go over here and request our 200,000 plus leads. So every Friday, Reed sends me an email, and of course, when you sign up on his platform, he's going to send you an email just like this one, reminding me to go here for instructions. I'll go here on this page, but he's got a little countdown timer here. So let's go here, click through, and follow his instructions. Okay, scroll down. He says if you participated before, only upload the leads since the last swap you participated in, of course, last Friday. If you missed a Friday, of course, you're going to go for 2 weeks. So in my case here, I get 200 leads a day. If you're brand new, you only get 100 leads a day until you actually make a sale, then you get 200 leads a day. So I am going to submit my leads here. Okay, I'm going to click through here. This is pretty easy to do. My lead gen secret lead swap. My name. In fact, I'm going to pause this video and fill this out. Okay, so I have my name here, my email address here. I had 1,400, 7 days times 200 is 1,400. So now I'm going to go over to my back office of my lead gen secret account. Today is November 1st. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to download my leads to my Excel file. Okay, save. And you can't see it, but it's up here. So let me pause again. So here are my 1,400 leads. Of course, the date they came in, 10/25/2019, the first name, the last name, their email address, and of course they get the city, state, postal code, country, and partner. Okay, so now let's go upload these leads as instructed. Okay, here are the leads, and there they are. I'm going to submit. Okay. Thank you for connecting with us. Please give me a special day to clean and organize the leads. Okay, next Monday, this coming Monday, this is Friday, I'm going to be getting an email with those leads all cleaned up, ready to go, so that I can put them into my self-hosted autoresponder. But he wants me to come back here. Okay, I just received an email. Thank you for submitting. Let's see what he says here. Okay, thank you for submitting. Okay, you can download the previous swaps here. Okay, do not import the following. So anyway, he gives you step-by-step instructions of what to do. But now he wants me to go back to his Facebook group here, and he wants me to do a post saying that I just submitted those leads. Okay, just submitted 1,400 leads, plus I produced a video showing step-by-step of me doing that post. That's it, that easy. Okay. Okay, you know what to do. Go to HarveySilverFox.com, come down here, click on this door here, and everything that you need to know about my lead gen secret and how to use the leads, how to get your self-hosted autoresponder down here, and the lead swap is right here until next Friday. Well, let's go make some money.